Alright, so this is Sean Kilcar from Fleet Owner Magazine. The blizzard of 2010 continues. I thought I'd give you guys a little look at what's going on. The plows are running. We've got about half a foot and whiteout conditions. As you can see and probably hear, the wind is pretty high. It's gusting to about 45 miles per hour today. Steady usually at about 20 to 25. We have about 3 feet of snow on the ground, and we have now big gusts coming through. We've got about a foot coming in today. No traffic is moving in Washington D.C. Buses, metro, trains shut down, airports shut down. And the federal government shut down for the 3rd day in a row, which is highly unusual. So I just thought I'd give everyone a little look-see at what the conditions are like.